and welcome to Kitchen Instruments. If you're a fan of Rick and Morty, then you know how much Rick Sanchez loves Szechuan sauce. Well, I'm going to teach you how to make it today. And it's super, super simple. So let's do it. Okay, so let's take a minute to talk Szechuan sauce. Now, Szechuan sauce, flavor-wise, is kind of a combination between teriyaki and sweet and sour. So you have the sweet and the salty, and then the sweet and the heat. And that's pretty easy to replicate at home. Okay, so for the teriyaki portion of this episode, you can either buy some at the store, or I'm going to refer you back to a 2-minute episode that I did back when I was about 3 months in that honestly is just terrible, but I'll be honest with you, the recipe's really good. And it's called 3-ingredient teriyaki sauce. And it's about as easy as you're going to get to make any type of teriyaki. So just bear with it. It's fun. I had a beard. Alright, so before we begin, if you'd be so kind as to smash that like button, I'd certainly be appreciative. And if you'd share the video, that would actually help immensely because it would help this show reach a broader audience. That's good. And also, if you really love that show, hit that subscribe button somewhere down here, or there's an icon at the end of the video somewhere around here. It'll automatically subscribe you when you click on it. Pretty sweet, right? Alright, it's about that time to make some Szechuan. And away we go! Well, that's how easy it is to make Szechuan sauce at home. You'd figure somebody with Rick's IQ would be able to come up with this stuff. How does he not know how to mix sweet and sour and teriyaki together? One of life's great mysteries. Oh, and that reminds me, I'll be right back. Alright, so that's all I have time for this week. Stop by next week where we're going to be making Szechuan sauce from Rick and Morty. It's going to be a good one. Lubba-dub-dub-dub. You do know it's wubba-lubba-dub-dub, right? You do know that's a sonic screwdriver, right? That's what I had. This guy. Well, that's all I have time for this week. Wow. Stop by next week where we're going to be making fake apple crisp using zucchini. Promoting a movie? It's pretty stunning. See you then.